Welcome back to our channel. My name is Kishan Patra and you are watching Rhino Matrix Classroom. So today's topic is a simple ring. So today we make a ring. Okay. Now let's start the video. First I make a idea of this ring. Go to front page, hide my grid lines and take a circle. Click the middle of center, 0 enter. Click 0 enter, then give the ring ID 17.5, enter. Now I offset my curve 2 mm in outside. Now select the outer curve, then click move 0.4 upper side. Okay, so this is basically the ring's ID. Now I select my outer curve and take the length of my curve. Now I take a length of my curve. Here is my length 67.54 millimeter. I go to my top page. This is my top page. Now I take a midline, center of the curve, 0 enter and give the parameter which is I saw in my front page 67.54 divided 2 because this is both side curve. Okay, now click enter. Again make a circle in the center and give the parameter 67.54, enter. So both are same now, both side curves are same now. Now first I make this side. Okay, first I make this curves and this surface and this collets. The collets parameter is 1.5 mm. So first I take a diamond, 1.5. Now I make it a collet. Go to my 3D page, take shaded view and I select my diamond, click F6 under bezel. Okay, reset. Enter, base thickness 0.2, enter. Is 0.8, enter. Okay, now I give this collet a parameter 0.2, top thickness always 0.2, base thickness 0.5, dome 0.2, bezel angle always 0, seed depth always 0. This is 0.5, always 50 degree. Bezel plane is always that. Bezel scale 110%. Now I give this a base thickness 1.2, 1.12, enter. I change my collet color and hide the curves lines. Click here and there is a visible show surface iso curves, so I off my visible curves. Okay, so I can't see now my collet iso curves. I step down my diamond, go to front page and click. I usually use hotkey, but there is a move option. Okay, there is a move option, so I click here and move it to down my surface. Okay, now I make it a collet. make it a prong. First I move it to upper side. Move. One. Now I mirror it. There is a mirror option in Rhino, and there is also a mirror option in matrix. I use matrix option. First I select it and click the mirror option. 0 enter. Now I copy it. Copy my curve and everything. See, so basically it's not in the middle of my curves. So again I select it and move. Click near option. Here. Okay, again I go to my top page and mirror it. I mirror it. Mirror. 0 enter. Okay, 2D. 0 enter. I use 2D and click 0 enter to take the center of my curve. Now I make offset of this curve in outer side 0.6. Okay, F10. First I trim this curve. I trim it, then select this curve, click F10 to show my points. I select my outer points and click move to outer side. Click enter. Now I click the another curve. Okay, now again F10, select the point, it's okay now. Now I mirror it to this side first. Now I join and mirror it again to the another side. Here again I mirror it to this side. You can see there was a problem in my curves, so I select it, move point 02 and in inner side of my collet. Okay, 0.02 inner side of my collet. Now it's okay, now it's done. Now I joined all my curves, then I loft it. I make a curve here first. I make a curve here. First I need to hide my all things. Make group, also this group, make groups and select all collets and diamonds, then click group option. Okay, this is the group option, then hide it, rebuild. Okay, so after that, after I rebuild my curve, now I can see my curve is looking smooth. Okay, now I make a curve from this end to this end. Take line option, click this end and this end. I select my curve and rebuild it. Sorry, I use hotkey. This is the rebuild option. Rebuild. I need 4 points, so I can click here 4. Click OK. Then I need to show my points and select the middle points of my curve. Then click step up, move Z. This move Z to upper side of 3D view. Click here 1, 2. And okay. Now select this and this and click sweep to enter. Now select the surface, minus 0.6. okay, I have to delete this surface. Okay, that bottom surface of my poly surface, so I explode it, delete this and this also. Now I need a duplicate border of those surface, this one and this one, so I use duplicate edge. Okay, click here, then see the curve is okay now. Then click enter and joint. Now I loft it, enter. Now select the poly surface and click join. This is joint option. You can see my poly surface is ready now. Click join. See, my poly surface is joined now. My single surface are turned into my poly surface. So now I work my design. So now and draw this design. Okay, select the curve first, click offset, this is the offset option, one enter, click one enter to both side, one enter. So my diamond, my poly surface, this ID size is 2 mm, this side one and this side one. Okay, now I draw my design. So I take a curve here from here. First I draw here a middle curve. Okay, so I click here and take a middle curve. First I draw here a curve, I make a curve here. You can see here is my another curve, and select the middle center curve and click mean curve. This is the mean curve option. So there is a middle curve of this, and this middle curve is here. Okay, now I drew my design. So I select the curve, interruption curve. This is called interruption curve. After you, before you draw your picture, please off your snap options, then draw smoothly. Click here, here. Okay, now I make it smooth. Then now I reopen my snap option. Now I select the endpoint, and now I smooth my curve. I make smooth these curves. Move. Now I rebuild this curve with non-uniform. Okay, now I make a curve from here to here, just a copy of this curve. Now I joined it. Now I offset this curve to enter. F10. Now I make smooth this curve. Okay, now rebuild curve non-uniform using non-uniform. delete this curve and make it offset. This is the offset option. Point to 2 mm offset to this side. Click left in your mouse. Then my ring design is ready now. Okay, now I make this design. First I make a prong here. Okay, so I need a curve, a circle curve. First I need to hide this all. Off your snap options, then make a curve here like 0.65, enter. Okay, now go to 3D view and give it a step up option with use this row. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, now select this and this curve and give step up to 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, now click enter. Now select the curve and make it a extrude curve. So click alter, so my prong is ready now. Now I make it a fillet of upper side of my prong. Take fillet option and give 0.25, enter. 25 is the parameter of the prong up dome. Okay, now mirror it to this side and this side also. One, two. Now select both prongs and again mirror to this side. Okay, there is also we can see that here is also 2 prongs. Okay, so just copy it. This is the copy option. Click it. First one. Now make it a larger size with sec 2D. Click here and make something larger. Okay, now mirror it to another side. 0, enter, click here. Okay, now draw this design. I show my designs now. First I have to hide my design first. I need to scale this. I make it smaller, my JPG. So I go to view upload option, click scale, click 0, enter. Now smaller. Okay, so this is the design now. Now we have to make a design here. Okay, select the curve option of your snap options. Now make it here. First I take a curve copy. Okay, take my curve and click split option. Take point
और वो जो
click
ये जो
here.
दिखाया जाता है इसमें तो ये न्यू लिस्टिंग हुआ ना,
First point is here and second is here.
कॉल्पोतुरु हॉस्पिटलिटी 2019 में लिस्टिंग हुआ ना, ये इस साल पावर पुराना है लेकिन
After I using this, I have a duplicate curve to make it smoothly. Okay, now
हाँ
I make it
अभी
the
तो ये ना,
design. Now I
अभी
make
इसका
that
एक
design.
में
Okay,
हमें बता सकते हो इसका मार्केट
this
कैपिटल
design,
कितना है,
the S shape of design.
इसका मार्केट
Okay,
कैपिटल कितना है,
rebuild it with 0.7. Okay,
अच्छा वो
okay.
अच्छा ठीक है, वो उसका मार्केट कैपिटल
I move it.
मतलब इसका जो मार्केट कैपिटल होता है वो उसका मार्केट कैपिटल अलग अलग है ना, ये कॉल्पोतुरु का पावर का मार्केट कैपिटल अलग है,
Okay, so
अलग अलग
I have to draw another curve from here to here. Okay, now on my snap option,
मैं आपको बताता हूँ,
select the end.
ठीक है,
Now joint it, then make it offset. This is the offset option, and in matrix here is the offset option. This is the offset option. Then it 0.2 mm. Enter. Okay, first rebuild it. Rebuild with 10 points. Now show the points and make it smooth as a design. Now rebuild it. Rebuild curve with non-uniform. Okay, again rebuild it. Okay, so it's become looking smooth. Now I have to step up and make smooth. As you see the design, that that surface is in the upper of this curve, this rings curve. Okay, so first I select my curves, go to 3D view and click point on option. To on the points you have to click F10 in your keyboard, then select the points and make smooth. Go to top page and see that F10, select the points and make it properly. Okay, select points Okay, again make it smooth. Now select all points, click F10. Now I have to make it in this side. Okay, hide this. Now see, let's point on this curve. F Click F10, select the point. Now make it smooth. Click F10 and select the rows. Okay, after that my curves are looking smooth now. This is, you have to do that. Okay, so now my curves looking smooth. Okay, first I hide this all curves. Now I select this options and this. Now I hide it. Now go to right view of the grid lines options, select the curves, select these curves, go to right view and click F10. Now what I do, now we have to do that, we make it a smooth curve like here. I can see that I have to step up this curve to upper side. Point 1, this is also point 1. Okay, now it's looking smooth. Select the curve and step up. Select all, click rebuild curve non-uniform, enter. Rebuild it. Okay, this is also 10. Go to F3 and click move. So now my curve is looking properly. Okay, okay. Click F10. select this curve and make a point here first.
Yeah,
make it smooth, and that surface you have to see that the surface not attached with another. Okay, now I make it a surface. Go to front page, select the curve and rebuild it with 4 points. now now I need middle points of my curve and step up it, point 1, point 2, and escape. Now select the first row and second row and click the cross curve. This is the cross curve. Now click sweep to. Now you can see there was a message, so I have to make smooth. Now click add slash and click here, 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 and here. Enter, enter. So now my surface is looking smooth. Okay, now I step up it. Group it and group it. Now I step up it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, now I make it a poly surface. Minus 0.8. Enter. Explode it. Make a duplicate edge here, here. Enter. And delete this also. 1, 2, 3. Enter. First select this curve and make a loft in that curves. Loft it. Okay, now select the duplicate curve here and select those curves 1, 2, 3 and joint it, then patch the curve. So now there is my poly surface is ready. My poly surface is ready now. Okay, now I make my ID. This is my rings ID, not my ID. Okay, select that curves, project to C plane, delete input, yes, enter. Now you know that I have make a curve already here. Now I rebuild it with 4 points. Now I select the middle of my curve, point 1, point 2, point 3. Okay, nice. Sweep it. Now make it a surface by sweep, using sweep to. Go to 3D view, select the curves, then select the cross curve and make it surface. As you know, you have to put it to inner side of my surface, so I make it here like that. Basically you know that we have to put our curve and surfaces into another side with another side, okay, to make it. Now I make it surface. I make it surface. Now edit gauge with that poly surface, okay. Now I make it a bounding box. Bounding box, C plane. I need 6 points. 6, 6. Enter, enter. Select these points. Point 1, 2. Delete. Point 1. Point 1 to upper side, okay. Now delete it. Again make it surface. Make it a poly surface. First I have to loft it. Make it loft. Explode the curves. Now make it loft. Now offset it. Offset minus 0.8 to lower side. Okay.
Created and using solution.
Point 1, 2, 3. Select this row. Point 1, 2. select this also, 0.12. Okay, so after that this is now looking smooth. Select this surface and delete it. Okay, now make it poly surface, minus -0.8, enter. So again I have to do that. I need duplicate edges here, 1 2 3 4 5, enter. Now I explode it. Again I delete my surface, delete this. Here is my curves, select all, make a curve here, select the curve and join it, then select the curve and loft it. Now select the curve, then patch it.
अरे काम पे जा रहा है ना, कहाँ जा रहा है?
Now join the surfaces.
यहाँ पे ज्वेलरी क्या है कंप्यूटर पे?
Select the surfaces.
दे मतलब अभी बातचीत हो रहा है।
Now join it.
सब लोग अभी काम सीख के लग रहे हैं ना सब। इसके लिए सब खाली हो गए।
Make a surface, select the surface and make it poly surface.
मेरा भी सिचुएशन का अच्छा पूरा
-3, enter. Now explode it. Make a curve here first and here also. There is also make a curve, then need duplicate edge. Take the duplicate edge option, click here, here and the upper side of the surface, like.
अच्छा उसका ही ले लीजिए थोड़ा बहुत। और वो जो कोलकाता हॉस्पिटलिटी है उसका ले लीजिए। 26
1 2 3, enter. First click here and make it loft. Select the surface curves, make joint, patch it. Select curves, joint it, then patch it. Same here, select curves, select the four curves, joint it and make it patch. Okay, now I hide this surface and select this poly surface, make it joint,
27 का क्या आएगा ना उसका 44 आएगा।
Now I show my poly surfaces. I think there was a problem, so
इसका तो 27 ही था ना,
first I hide this,
27
hide,
ज़्यादा वो नहीं
join it. Okay,
हाँ 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 करते हैं हाँ अच्छा बहुत है अच्छा वो
first curve, second curve,
ठीक है वो तो ये काफी
make a duplicate curve here,
कॉल को तो पावर का दो
select the curves, join it, then make it patch. Okay, now it looks smooth. So now I can join my poly surface smoothly. Take the poly surface and
उसमें
join.
और थोड़ा मैं 300 भेज दूँ क्या तो 3 आ जाएगा नहीं 2 ले लीजिए सर 2 ले लीजिए
Joined it. Joined it. Okay, now show the work. Then slide surface point 1, 2, 3, 4. Surface point 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so here is my poly surface. Okay guys, now I can make it a cage edit. This is the cage edit option, bounding box, C plane. I need 4, 4, 4 and 4. Enter, enter. Point 1, 2. Point 1, 2. Point 1. Now delete the cage edit curves. Okay, now group it. Select this and this, make it a group. Make split in this curve. Use quad, take the point option, click here and here, click enter. Go to 3D view and select this, then go to transform. There is a follow along curve option, click here, then select the curve and this curve. Select this curve and this curve. Okay, now hide this surface which is in the C plane. Now I hide this. Go to front page and move this here from here. we have to make it bezel, so again move it. Now we have to make it bezel. Okay, first cut it. I hide this all. Rotate it with a copy option. With copy 0, enter. Select here from here. Okay, now make it bezel. Remove the group. Select the surface and click extend surface. Extend surface. Extend surface. Extract surface. Extract surface. Click copy. Click here. Enter. Now select the surface and extend it. This is the extend option. Click here. Now 1.5. 1, enter. Sorry guys, I have to make it first. Cage edit, unbox plane, enter. There is a problem, I have to make it smooth. Delete it. Select the poly surface. Cage edit, I need 6 points. 6 points. 6 points. 4, enter. There is a problem, so I make it smooth with these options. Now okay. 1, 2. This side also 1. Now it's looking smooth. Okay guys, now make it group and make rotate with a copy option. 0, enter. Here we go. Now remove the group option, ungroup it, and just extract the surface. Extract surface, click this with copy, enter. Now extend the surface. Extend this surface. 3, enter. Okay, 3, enter. This side also I have to make. Click this, make a duplicate edge here. Now delete this surface. Trim option, using trim option, select the curve and delete this surface. Delete it and rotate it this side with the copy option. 0, enter, click here to this side. Okay, now make it make hole. Select this shaded view, make it make hole, make hole, make hole. Click here, enter, here, enter. Select the trim option and trim it. If make hole was not working, then select the curve and make it trim. Okay, now take a duplicate edge here and here and here and here, joint it, make it loft. Okay, select this and this, joint it. Okay, now select this and click boolean split option with this surface, enter. Select the surface. Now extract surface, click copy, select the polysurface, enter. Okay, now select the surface as extend it, 3, enter. Now make it rotate. Now I make it rotate with a copy option from this side, 0, enter, this side to this side. Okay, guys, I make a duplicate surface here, make a duplicate surface or extend surface here, extract surface, extract surface, click copy here, enter. Now extend it, extend surface, click this here, click this here. Okay guys, now what to do, click the surface, click boolean split with this. Extend surface. Okay, now select this, extrude this, extrude it. First we make diamonds here in that surface. Okay, so select the curves first, here and here. Now make a main curve on that surface. Select the curve, pull it to the surface. Okay, curve, explode it, delete this, select this and hide it, warframe it, delete and delete this side also. Now make it shaded view and show the curve. Select the surface, click F6, explode the surface, click F6, now click F6, gem on surface, 1.3, enter. 1.1, enter. 1.1, enter. Spacing 0.15, enter. Snap, yes, enter. Select the diamonds, select the diamonds and rotate it to this side with copy option. Now give it a prong. Okay, click F6, give prong, diameter always 6, diameter 6, drop 0.2, height 0.8, fillet 60, taper 0. Now I give it prongs. Okay, click F, select the surface and click F6, select prong on surface. Select the diamonds, click F6, so prongs. Now give it a diameter 6, small prong 0.4, large point height 8, small prong height 6, drop 2, nudge 30 always. In this situation I give 40, 40, 45. Okay, then fillet 60, taper 0, enter. There is a problem, guys. Click F6, gem on surface. one, enter. Enter. Mirror it with copy option, 0, enter. Prongs upper side. Mm, 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 mm. Select the surface and click F6. Prong on surface, just click here. And here. Select the prongs and rotate it with copy, 0, enter. Click OK. Now delete it. Select all curves, select these surfaces and put it in my file. Delete it and also delete the curves. Okay. F2, not trim it. Make hole. Make hole. Joint. Now rotate it. Okay. Now make a duplicate edges here, here, here and here. Click enter. Join. Make it lock. make a curve here. Now flip to. Now make it giant. Select all edges and giant it. Okay. Now delete this. Now make it a bezel. We have to make a bezel here. Make duplicate edge here. And here. Select the curve and extend it. -3, enter. Okay. This side also. -3, enter. Okay. Now show the ID again. Click this. Trim it. Go to 3D view and delete it again. Again delete all these curves. This is extra curves actually, so I delete it. Delete it and make it offset to inner side. ISO curve direction, change the direction. Now delete this side, just mirror it. Delete this surface, select this and mirror it. Copy it. This is the rotate option, sorry by mistakenly. Now rotate it. See. Now offset it to inner side. Offset surface. Select the surface, split it, take it ISO curve, click here, enter, delete it. Select this surface, select ISO curve, enter, delete it. Okay. Split ISO curve, select here, enter. set the surface to inner side with this option, solid 8, flip all, point 8, enter. This side also, flip, solid, enter. Okay, now my ring is ready. So make hole, make hole, make hole. This is the make hole option. Click the surfaces, enter. Just trim it. Select the curve, make it extrude both side, cap no. Okay, now select this and this, then boolean split, select the surface, enter. Boolean difference, click the surface and this surface, enter. One, two, three. Delete. Same, make it this side also. Edit cage. This is cage edit. Shape plane. Enter. Select the row. 1, 2, 3. So the work is ready. Okay, now I give fillet here 0.6. Delete it. Now the work is ready now. Okay, this is how to make a simple ring in Matrix software. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you like this video. If you are new in my video channel, then please subscribe us and click the bell icon to get notifications. If you have problems, then comment us, we must help you. Thanks for watching. We meet you soon in next video. My name is Kishan Patra.